Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use Code and Gemini CLI together. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gemini application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Gemini, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Gemini account, aka your Google account, because you cannot use Gemini without it. So now we can get started. So obviously you are going to go and be using Code and Gemini CLI on your Windows device. You cannot use it on your phone because CLI is only installable on your PC. So basically you're going to install Gemini CLI first. You can run the npm install command in your terminal and use the Gemini out login to go ahead and log into your account. So make sure to log into the same Google account you're using on your mobile device that you have gotten your API key for. So what I suggest for you to do is go to Google, search the step-by-step on how to install CLI and Code, after which you can get started using them together by going ahead and Googling Google AI Studio API key. That's going to give you your API key that you can use to connect your Google account with Code and get started creating projects on those AI, and this is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.